Hello colleagues and shalom from Israel. My name is Dmitry and today we are going to talk about the role of osteotomy drill in implantation procedures. How can you ensure that you achieve the best possible results in your implants? The secret might not be just in the implant itself, but in your drilling protocol. Let's explore how our solutions can take your implant surgeries to the next level, and why regularly replacing your drill is more than just a good practice. It is essential for both medical and economical reasons. Whether you are a seasoned implantologist or just starting out, understanding this can save you time, money, and, most importantly, ensure the best outcome for your patient. Every implantologist knows that preparing the bone site is the foundation of successful implant. But even slightly worn drills can compromise implant stability. Dull drills increase generation of heat and can induce a cell damage of the surrounding hard tissue. This is not felt immediately, since the primary stability might still be high, as this is the factor of implant geometry. But during the secondary stability, which occurs on the later stages and connected to the biological factors, when the bone can sustain various forces, we would see a higher failure rate. In other words, the implant will be surrounded by a dead bone, which does not allow osteoblasts and nutrients to reach the implant surface.
Preventing thermally induced necrosis is crucial for achieving successful osseointegration at the osteotomy site. Overheating caused by drilling during implant osteotomy preparation can result in peri-implant necrosis, hyperemia, fibrosis, and degeneration of osteocytes. These conditions are significant factors that influence the process of osseointegration.
Research shows that exposing bones to a temperature of 47 degrees for 1 minute is critical limit for its survival. That's where the DSI step drill kit stands out. With a high-precision drills designed to match the geometry of DSI implants perfectly, the kit creates the ideal path for implant insertion with minimum trauma and maximum control. Designed for precision, speed and safety, those drills are engineered with diamond-like carbon coating for superior performance and longevity. But even the best tools have their limits. Even if you are not using DSI implants, one of the most sophisticated products in the market, this kit can significantly improve your surgical outcome. But even if you are implanting other brands, usage of proper drills could not be overestimated. But I have only placed a few implants, and the drill still looks fine. Sounds familiar? Even top-tier drills wear down after 25-30 uses, especially on hard cortical bone. I pay special attention to the small diameters. I pilot 2.0, 2.8 or 3.2 drills as they participated in every implant placement protocol.
This is a fresh DSI drill, sharp, smooth, perfectly balanced, and ready to perform. However, after 30 uses, subtle signs of wear begin to appear. Dull drills work more slowly in uneven and imprecise cuts and start to overheat the bone. It can cause cellular damage, reducing the bone's ability to heal and integrate with the implant. It's a scientific fact and a clinically proven issue.
Sharp drills cut clearly, reduce patient stress, improve fit, and increase long-term implant success. And all that starts with the regular drill exchange. DSI step drill refill kit is not just a tool, it's an upgrade for your entire practice. Here are 6 sequential drills from pilot to the final, bigger size. Each drill is crafted from the surgical grade stainless steel, laser marked, and diamond-like carbon alloy. They are designed for the full range of DSI implants and compatible with many other brands. The kit is organized, ergonomic, and sterilization friendly, perfect for its efficient workflow. And economically, one failed implant can cost more than replacing the entire drill kit. DSI make it easier to keep your kit fresh and effective. Our refill kits let you replace only the drills you need without buying a whole new set. This is not only convenient, but also cost-effective. Think about it. A small investment in new drills can prevent costly complications, reoperations, or even implant loss. You save money, time, and patient trust by working with sharp, reliable drills. Implants are precision devices. They deserve precision tools. With the DSI step drill kit and a habit of replacing drills regularly, you get a cleaner bone preparation, faster placement, and better patient outcome. Regular drill exchange is not just a technical detail. It's a cornerstone of successful implantology. Make sure you get the most from them by replacing drills after 25-30 applications and always use a high-quality refill kit. Your patient and your practice will thank you. Success in implantology is built on the quality of each step. The drills you choose and how often you refresh them can define your result. To find more information about the DSI strap drill kit, you can always contact us by WhatsApp or email, or order the whole range of DSI products already today. Just visit our internet shop www.shopdsi.com.
Brought to you by DSI.